If you want to use text tracking in InShot, then follow these steps. First of all, open your project in InShot. Then add the element, either text, image or sticker, whatever you want to follow an object. Then select the element and tap motion tracking after placing your text. Then again tap it once, select your target position. Then a tracking box or cursor should appear. Move and resize the box over the object you want to follow. Tap start. InShot will auto track the motion frame by frame. Then preview the effect. Scrub through the video to check the tracking. If it's a little off, you can manually tweak the position using keyframes. Or if it looks good, export it.